Learning in this particular training how to get started with your affiliate marketing business from scratch to finish. Now, in this video one lesson, you're going to be learning the introduction to affiliate marketing, some niche selection ideas, as well as keyword research. Affiliate marketing is just the business model of referring people to a product or a service for a commission. That is the most simple and easy understanding of what affiliate marketing entails. Now, in the online space, there are so many opportunities out there that you can get started with, but affiliate marketing is actually considered as one of the best make money online method, you can get started with and start building passive income streams or building general revenue for yourself. Now, I'm going to be leaving you in the hands of my friend Melinda that will be explaining the different make money online methods out there and why affiliate marketing is also considered the best. And also she'll be educating you on the basics of affiliate marketing.
So first, we're actually going to talk about the benefits of having an online business. We can first look at the low cost. It's very, very cheap to start an online business compared to a traditional shop where you have to do so much upfront costs. We could look at the flexibility. You can work from home as long as you've got a Wi-Fi connection. You can literally work from anywhere. Marketing worldwide. You don't have to be restricted to your city or your town. You could market to everyone worldwide. And there's so many business out there that you can do online. So we're just going to start with a few here. I'm going to list a few businesses that you can actually do online. You've got selling on Amazon. I actually sold on Amazon for about 2 years. Eventually, it didn't work out because Amazon charged me so much on long-term storage fee. But that's not even really the issue here. The issue here is the customers are not even yours. So you could leverage from, selling on Amazon worldwide customer, but eventually you need to be able to follow up with your leads, which you definitely cannot do here because you don't have the email address or the details of your customer. So that's one. The second one is drop shipping. I've actually done drop shipping from China, and I'm currently doing drop shipping within the UK here. What I don't really like about drop shipping is the fact that it's still very hands-on. I still do customer service, but eventually you can automate the business, but it does take some time to be able to do that. What else have we got? You can sell your own products. You could do this, but not as a starter. You really need to know what you're doing. You need to be an expert to be able to sell your own product. What else have we got? We've got MLM. The traditional MLM, you need to recruit people into your team. The traditional one, you have to, they advise you to recruit your friends and family. It's a pyramid scheme. You kind of like have to grow your business. I mean, you could do this if you really know what you're doing. And the last one that I'm actually just going to list here is affiliate marketing, which I'm actually going to talk about. And the reason why I love affiliate marketing is the fact that you could literally just master your model and this could make money for you. So let me just illustrate exactly what I'm talking about. So over here, we have a bunch of people who need to solve problem, people with problem. I mean, we all have problem, but you get what I'm saying in a minute. People with problems. Oh, I can't spell. So this could be people who are looking to people who want to learn to play the guitar. People who are in the dating, people who are looking to connect with your spouse, learn your love language with your spouse. We have so many things here. Stop dog from peeing on the carpets. Stop dog from peeing on carpets. Learn how to start a YouTube channel. I mean, literally, if you can think of it, then there's most likely a product out there. Then on this very end, we are going to look at products, which is kind of like a marketplace where you can find all these products to solve the problems of these audiences here. So we could look at ClickBank. You must have heard of ClickBank. It's very popular. ClickBank. We've got JVZoo. We've got which other one have we got? We've got Warrior Plus. We've got 4%. And there's so many marketplaces out there where you can find products to actually sell to these people. And where you come in here, excuse my drawing. So you're the affiliate marketing here, and all you literally need to do is come to a marketplace here and recommend a product or services or whatever it is, software, to these people here. And once they buy, this is where you actually make money. So you get a commission from when you recommend a product to this audience, people who are looking to solve a problem. And the marketplace also make a commission. But exactly what I'm going to be talking about is, why do you think a lot of people out there start affiliate marketing business and they actually struggle? It's because of the fact that you need to be a great connector. That's what you need to be. So all you are right now is a connector. You're connecting the marketplace to the audiences here. And all you literally need to do is to be a great connector. The barrier to entry in this business is very, very low, which means that you can start an affiliate marketing business in 5 minutes. But what differentiates you from everybody? What is different? What are you doing that is different? Once you are a great connector, trust me, it doesn't matter what product you're selling. It doesn't matter the problem that you're solving. Once you are a great connector, you would be able to sell and market any product of your choice. Another thing that I'm going to talk about is picking a niche. And I'm going to advise you want to select a category that maybe you've got some sort of interest in, because you don't want to go to a category like dating today and then go to like a weight loss tomorrow. Your leads are going to be confused. You need to pick exactly what you're going to do.
Now, to add to what Melinda actually said about niche ideas, all right, the first thing we want to look at is what a lot of people tend to think of, okay, once they want to promote an affiliate product. The first thing they think of is how they can start promoting certain products, all right, that can give them big commission. This is where they make the mistake, all right? And some of the ideas a lot of people tend to look at, especially when they are going through Amazon Associates to promote product. The first product they want to look at, or the list of products they will be looking at, is the first one is LCD and TV. Okay, TV set, a lot of people think they can promote that to get commissions, as well as digital cameras and camcorders, because you can find expensive digital cameras, luxury watches, laptops, computers, smartphones like iPhone, Samsung, etc. Okay, this is where they all get it wrong, because the competition level for promoting this is very, very high. All right, which means you might get 1 or 2 sales here and there, which might not be enough for you to rake in commissions on a monthly basis. Some of the niche ideas, okay, that you can take a look at, okay, in promoting to get affiliate commission are things like grill. A lot of people love to do barbecue and all those stuff, so you can promote different types of grill. There are a bunch of them out there, especially on Amazon, okay, that you can promote to earn a commission. Lawn mowers, okay, is actually good. Women's boots, okay, things like this work very well, as well as makeup products and all those cool stuff. You can also look at dirt bike, okay, because a lot of people have passion for dirt bike, as well as fitness product. Any physical fitness product like yoga mats, fitness wear, running shoes, and all those stuff tend to work very, very well if you can tap into that category. Also, digital products like health, wealth, and happiness. Anything concerning digital products in this category tend to work effectively well, and you can make commission, big commission, okay, or big commissions when you promote products in this category. Opportunities, different opportunities, especially make money online opportunities, tend to work very, very well. Anything that has to do with investment opportunity or anything that can add to somebody's life in terms of their finances, tend to work very well. So there are a bunch of digital tools out there, especially in this training. We'll be mentioning quite a few of them that you can promote to make affiliate commission and raking commission for yourself every single month. Since we've gotten that out of the way in terms of niche selection, the next thing we're going into is keyword research. Now, when you go over to Google and just type in Google keywords, all right, you will see a bunch of results right here for Google for research tools. But the one I want us to focus on is the one with ads.google.com. This is the most important one. So we'll just click to open it up. So once it opens up like this, the next thing we want to do is to click on this button right here that says Go to Keyword Planner. Once you click Go to Planner, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. If you already have an existing Google keyword account, you have a bunch of accounts here you can select from. But if you don't, all you have to do is to click on New Add Account. So after clicking that, you'll be brought to a page that looks just like this. Now, I want you to pay close attention to this particular area because this is where the trick is. If you click next and follow the entire process, Google will think you want to make an ad or you want to create an advertising. But I don't want you to click anything right here. Come over to this section where they say, are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. You want to switch to expert mode because if you're a complete beginner, what Google will do is they'll recommend everything for you. But we actually want to do our research before actually creating an ad campaign. So once we're on this page, the next thing we want to do is to come to this section and click on create an account without a campaign. So we'll be brought to this particular page where we can select our business information. On default, Google can detect your country and your time zone as well as your currency or the currency you want. And you can set this to USD or you can change it to your local currency depending on what you want. But for me, I love using USD because I understand it when it comes to advertising online. So I'll just click on submit and continue the process. So right now they're telling us congrats, you are all done. Explore your account. So you're going to click on this explore your account. So we'll be brought to this page. So I'm just going to take this out. Now we'll be brought to this particular page right here where we can see our dashboard, and Google will keep popping up every new feature they have currently, all right, to give you an idea or to help you out with your marketing goals. But the thing is, we're just going to ignore all of this and just focus on our main objective. All right. Now your account will be 0 right here. Everything right here will be 0 because this is actually going to be your Google ad account that you're going to be using to advertise on Google. And in the course of this particular step-by-step training, you will learn how to advertise on Google also. So the next thing I want to do is to come over to this section where they say tools and settings. Once you click on it, then you can navigate your way to this section where they say keyword planner. Click on keyword planner. So once keyword planner is up, this will actually pop up. Then we can just ignore this, close this up. Now we are now in the section where we can do our keyword research. Now if we're focusing on the health category or weight loss category, we can actually come right here and just type in that category and see the keyword that is being searched every single month for that category in a particular location at a particular month. All right, that way we can have an idea of what we are searching for. So when I click on discover new keyword, I can just basically just type in weight loss, and I can change this location right here. I can just delete all of it and set it. Once I delete all of this, it's going to be global. All the keyword they've been searching for in the past 1 year is what I'm going to be getting as my result. So I'll click on save. You can see right here it's saying all locations, English default. So I'll click on get result. So when we click on get result, all right, you'll be seeing this result right here. And weight loss is getting about 100 to 1 million searches every single month, which is very, very high. All right, and the competition also is very, very high as well. We can see different keywords right here that we can get ideas of what to create content around, because you need to understand how this particular method works or this particular step works, so you can understand also how to create content to target specific keywords, which is very, very important for your business. So you can get an idea of keywords to go after when you come to this particular section, and you can just select quite a few of them, the ones you feel you can work with, and just download the keyword ideas in an Excel spreadsheet. That way you can work with it in the long run. All right.